I recently counted all my locks, you guys, and I can't believe the number I got. 160, an even number. And I love even number life. Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and it's my 1 year anniversary. Oh my gosh, you guys, OMG, 1 year already, and it's been like such an awesome year, an awesome vlog journey. I cannot believe I've reached a year already. It felt just like yesterday. I sat there in my bed at late night and twisted my hair, two-string twist, and I told myself I could do it. Don't take it out. Don't put no wigs over it. Just let the journey be nice and natural, and just take a break. Take a break from the fake hair. And I did it. Oh my gosh, I did it 1 whole year. Like, I would have never ever thought. Like, I have like 4 or 5 months without even retwisting my hair, and I'm planning on going longer, 4 more months. In total, guys, I'm about to go 9 months without retwisting my hair. 9 whole months without retwisting it, and I know it's gonna grow a lot. The key to a healthy looking thick locks is letting it be and not really, putting it products in it often and retightening it often. Just keep that to the minimum, guys. It's really not that necessary, but if that's what you prefer, you do you. Okay, right now I have no products at all in my hair. Just, this is my locks in its natural state, all matted and all everything. And throughout my journey, you guys, I really kept retwist to a minimum. In total, I had 2 retwists and 1 interlock in the whole year. So I didn't retwist every month or every 2 months. I gave myself at least 3 to 4 months before retightening my hair. You guys see that one lock right there that I interlock? I think I'm going to stop interlocking my hair because I don't really like that neat, tight look. I like the little messy, frizzy look. Like, you can see the ends that were two-strand twisted. So I think I'm gonna just retwist my hair because I don't want the skinny locks, if you get what I mean. But yeah, so this is my month 3 versus month 10. I was washing my hair, both of them, and as you can see, in month 3 my hair was much thinner. When it's wet, you can see the progress and the growth already. And this was also my month 3 in February, and I had conditioner, a deep conditioner in my hair. That's why it looks all shiny and stuff like that. And this is month 10. I had conditioner in my hair once again, and you can see the thickness. You can see the curls are not really there anymore because they're locking. This is how I usually oil and condition my hair. I've been using this oil for years now. Like, my edges need it, so I always keep it around. I apply it in my scalp, all around. I try to do this like often, like probably like 3 times a week. I just put it all over. Usually I would get my oil mixture, but I haven't bought my oils yet, but yeah. So this is my other oil. It's my avocado oil. It smells really good, and I'm just gonna add that in the length of my hair. I really love this oil. It makes my locks really soft. I really keep my routines very simple, no products at all. In the whole year, I never got my hair done by anybody in the whole year. Kept it real simple and natural, and that's how I'm gonna maintain it. Yeah, as you can see, you guys, my roots are like crazy. They're already growing out, but I don't want to touch them up yet because my birthday is in like 4 months, and I want fresh roots for my birthday. So I'm just gonna wait till January to touch up the roots, and by that time I know I'm gonna have a little hang time. Oh, my hair is gonna look so gorgeous. I can't wait. I cannot wait. And I also want to thank you guys for subscribing. Like, I didn't even think I was gonna reach 1K, and you know, like, this was my goal. I told myself, like, okay, by the end of this year I'm gonna reach 1K, but it happened before the year is even over. So it's like, I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for, liking my vibe and my videos, and that means a lot to me.